Hi everyone. Last winter I made two videos on how to tumble rocks in a rotary tumbler. If you remember, both of them I did them at the same time. I grew a beard during that video, or those videos. And these are the carnelians that were left over from one of those. So I did some in the video, and these were the rest of them. These came from the rock shed, and so let's take a look at them. I guess this one wants to go first. Pretty little rocks if you like orange. One's nice. I like the little pattern through the middle there. You can see, I love when you can see inside. See that flat thing in there? Kind of have to turn it to see it. This one's neat. Has a little bit of the outside. I didn't tumble this all the way through. You can see that one, how it goes down inside there quite a ways. There, you can see it right there. So I wasn't going to tumble that all the way out, so I just left it, and it kind of made it kind of interesting. Guess I got to show you the bad along with the good. Here's one with a crack, and you can see there's no way for me to tumble that out. What I could have done is cut it or broke it along the crack and had two smaller rocks, but I didn't. It's a little guy. Got a quartz on that one. Some of these are kind of plain. Some have kind of cool inclusions in them. I don't know if that's, I can't feel that, but probably could have tumbled that out. But then there'd be nothing to talk about on that side of the rock. It's pretty cool. I like that little line. That's not a crack on that one. That's just a line in the rock. It's a very orange one. A cool pattern right there. A little bit of subtle banding. Not so subtle banding. Like I said, a lot of these are just sort of plain. They're really shiny. That one's got a little bit of a band in it. So they're pretty rocks, but I don't really know what to say about them all. At the end of this, I'll do a slideshow like I always do. Figured out how to adjust the white balance on my camera, except that I can't do it during video. I wish I could, because the color fluctuates a little bit. But I hope you notice the difference during the slideshow at the end. I hope it'll be a little bit better. I just figured out how to do it. Like that right there, that's neat. Hey, here's me. See my reflection? Alright, we've looked at enough of those. Got a couple more of the bigger ones here, but they're just sort of plain. And here's the ones I didn't show you up close. Look at that one. Alright, stick around for the slideshow and I'll see you next week.